Welcome. If you want to turn on location tags on your photos in ZTE Axon 10 Pro, for the first go for the camera, then move to the left upper corner to enter the settings, and here we have the option of the geotagging, so we have to turn it on. But just to show you that it really works, let's take a photo and go for the details. And as you can see, here we doesn't have location, right? We don't know where the photo was taken, but when we go for the settings and turn on this option, we'll take a photo once again, then go for the details, and here's the location. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.